Hey everybody, Evan Morrison from GameSense here. It is September 14th and it is AV Christmas. That's right, $6,000 of AV equipment, brand new thanks to our sponsor Symbotic. Super excited to open these up. All equipment to help our live production show. If you're going to be watching Chezzy Champs, we will be using all this brand new stuff there. Hoping to upgrade everything and make it super sweet for everybody. So let's get right in. First thing out of the box is a brand new mixing board. Xenyx Behringer. It's basically the big brother of the one that we've been using. I think this one's got 8 channels, fan and power, lots of fun stuff. You might be asking, why do we need a new mixing board? The old one works just fine. Well, this is why. Shure broadcast quality headsets. That's right, we're going professional. We got 4 of these babies. What else we got in here? This is probably the single coolest piece, the Canon XA35 upgrade from the Canon XA25 HD camcorder that we've been using with SDI output. Pretty happy about this. This means that we won't be having to borrow equipment. The past couple years, thanks to the generous support of Washington First Robotics, I guess they're now First Washington officially. They've let us take down some equipment to Chezzy Champs to use it. The first year we actually used all Washington First Robotics equipment. We've kind of slowly been building up our own. Well, as of now, we get to do it all with our own stuff. So, brand new camcorder. We'll get into this a little bit later. And to make sure that that camcorder stays fine, Pelican case. SDI video cable, 100 feet. Tails for the headsets. A couple of converter boxes. HDMI to SDI, SDI to HDMI, microconverters from Blackmagic Design, just to make sure that we can get the right things to the right places. Video into monitors, video out of computers, into switchers. A couple more of those. And last but not least, the Decklink quad. This gets us from the single video input source that we have on our streaming rig to 4. There should be a handful of SDI converters to go with this. I bet they're in this bag here too. That's everything in the big box. I guess we will open up the Pelican case first. Make sure that we've got a place ready to go for a brand new camcorder. Pelican cases are nice. Not only are they waterproof, guaranteed protection, foam filled, but they come in GameSense orange. Import utilities, nice thick manual. I'm partial to things that come with actual paper manuals. Alright. There she is. State of the art. Right? Just looks like just the one that everybody has. But the main thing that this one gives us, that right there, 3G HD SDI output. So that lets us get great high quality video footage over a 100-foot cable into the mixing rig or wherever we want to send it. And it's all set up to go into any of the Blackmagic devices, especially the Blackmagic ATEM switcher, which we didn't get, but if you watched our First Champ live show, we had one of the big boy ATEM Mix Effects 2 Blackmagic design switcher. And the goal is every piece of extra equipment that comes in here, all the extra battery chargers, the cables, etc. All of that's going to end up with a nice little cradle space inside the watertight Pelican case. This lets us have a carrying handle, put the boom mic on, all kinds of good stuff. Check that out. I want to try on one of these headsets. Ooh, more paper manuals. That's comfy. Also, I can't barely hear anything, so excellent noise isolation. Each one of them comes with an unterminated cable that you can kind of, solder to your own connector on. Or you can buy the pre-terminated versions. So we got the kind with the 1/4-inch jack and the 3-pin XLR, so it goes nicely with the brand new mixing board. So this should let us do exactly what we've been doing with much, much nicer equipment. Have everybody on the same comms channel. So the microphone goes both directions. You could wear the microphone on the right, or you can wear the microphone on the left. Mini SDI, also known as, I guess, DIN. You probably can't see that. Let's see if we get the camera to focus on this guy. There we go. Mini SDI goes into the capture card, and the other end is your standard male BNC that goes to the regular SDI cable. So that gives us up to 4 inputs that we can take in. It also does cross conversion, so that's super awesome. Means that we can take different kinds of sources. And the last thing that we got here is little microconverters. All this packaging, and the thing is tiny. Pretty sure most of this box space is actually adapters so that you can run it off of different types of wall power. That's it. HDMI to SDI conversion. Actually, this one's the SDI to HDMI conversion. So anywhere you need to take an SDI BNC connector and go to HDMI, throw one of these guys in, $85. I love Blackmagic design stuff. This is just great, great, great hardware. We're not actually going to open up the Decklink quad because that goes in the computer. All SD and HD formats up to 1080p 60 Hz. Independent playback. It's got loopback on here too, and this will replace the current capture card. Just goes in the PCI Express slot. The last thing we got is the mixing board. Said before, mixing board is basically the big brother of the one that we've been using, which is actually my personal mixing board. It still works great, absolute brick house. A couple generations newer and, well, a little bit bigger. It does work with a USB connection to a computer if you want to. That's one of the nice things about the Xenyx series. There's not a whole lot in here, just a nice pretty mixing board. So we'll be running each of our headsets in through one of these channels, and then we do a loopback with a submix to split off the channels that are only getting heard internally on the headset, or the channels that are getting heard internally as well as being sent to the main audio feed. So there you have it. That's all the stuff. Brand new swag. We'll get the Pelican case cut out, get the camera put away, all the headsets ready to go, and we will see you guys at Xenyx.